welcome to another episode of Drunk Mom Reviews. I am drinking and reviewing this bad boy right there. It's right here, people. It is the Ultrasonic Cleaner by Wishluck. How cute is this design, people? I mean, if you were wondering what it does, I'll tell ya, okay? I'll state the obvious. It's an alarm clock, which everybody needs in their life to wake up. But do you know what this portion in the back is used for? It is a multi-purpose cleaner, people. It can clean anything from jewelry to watches to sunglasses. I mean, how dope is that? All you have to do, let me open this back up. You fill it with water up to the max fill line, and boom, you are ready to start cleaning, people. Okay, my jewelry is always looking so dull and skanky, so you know what I do now? I literally just throw it in there. You know what? And it looks sparkly and new in no time because the cleaning power, oh, thanks, baby. Thanks for the kisses. What was I talking? The cleaning power on this thing is so strong. It is 48 kilohertz, people. That can clean anything, I say. Also, as you can see, there is a lot of room. There's so much room in here, so it has the capacity to clean a lot of damn jewelry all at once. And look, guess what? It comes with these little, let me put my drink down. Comes with these little stands. How cute are they? So you can put your jewelry on top of this one, or, oh my God, inside of this one. I've even cleaned makeup tools and silverware and watches, and this bad boy right here. How my son, he even throws his dental retainer in there sometimes. I mean, Do you want to see it in action, people? I know you do. I know you do. I know you want to see it in action. She loves it. Okay, roll the B-roll. How cool is this thing? Do you see how much jewelry could fit inside here? And how clean it is now. It is like a miracle, people. It's a miracle machine. Telling time and cleaning things all at once. Incredible. It works so well because it is a UV sanitizer, people. And check this out. You can even change the colors on the display here. How cute is that? Look at this. Look at this. What? I mean, all these different options to choose from. I don't even know which one is my favorite. They're all so good. Oh, and look at this. It even tells you the temperature inside. That is so cool. So if I'm freezing my ass off, I can just go here and go, I am freezing. I love that little feature. And it's even got the date right here on the bottom too. And you can also brighten up the display to help you see it a little better if you're blind like me. And at night, you may or may not be a little tipsy, so you need that extra light, which is right there. See? So cool. Oh, I got mine in this awesome pink, but it also comes in a few different colors. So if you like prefer like white or black, you can get it in those colors too, you know. So I put this one in my bedroom because this style is so chic. And I've got some incredible news for you. I've got, get ready, a discount code. Yes, people, a discount code. Yeah, you heard right. Go to my caption and click on the link and use the discount code to get your Wishluck Ultrasonic Cleaner for you today. I mean, boy, you will be thanking me daily because this product is so awesome. Okay, I like to use it every day. So I want to know to know your thoughts on this product. I do. So like, comment and like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time on Drunk Mom Reviews. That was a lot of work, you know. So I think I'm just gonna take a nap. I'm just gonna put the alarm on and take a little nap. I'm just doing it for 20 because my favorite show's on soon.